Hey, thanks for stopping by Spear Outdoors. Today I want to compare the Magnesium fire block with the Ferro rod. We're going to find out which one starts the fire better. So first up, we're going to use the cotton ball. I've already fluffed it up a little bit. Set it right down here. And on your magnesium, you have to take, on this corner, you have to scrape some shavings off of it. And you put your shavings on there. And those shavings are what catches on fire whenever a spark hits it. So we got a little bit of shavings. When you think you got enough, do more. All right, so that should be plenty. And then we'll strike this, throw a spark, and hopefully ignite this cotton ball. Oh, didn't take much. So magnesium fire starter lights a cotton ball quick. I don't think the spark even hit the magnesium. I think it just lit off the cotton. All right, this time we're going to use the Ferro rod. We're going to fluff this cotton ball up, just like we did with the magnesium. Get your knife with a 90-degree spine and your Ferro rod and pull back. Yep, that didn't take long at all. So far, we're pretty even. So this time we're going to use some natural material, some dog fennel. This stuff lights pretty easy no matter what you're using. You go burn dust it up. And just like before, we're going to scrape some of this magnesium into this dog fennel. All right. Now we're going to strike it, see if we can get a fire. And there we go. Took a couple of strikes that time. All right, this time we're going to use the Ferro rod. And I bird nested the dog fennel up. And we're gonna strike it. Not as many strikes, but still got a fire. Well, I think it's safe to say that I would be comfortable taking either one of these into the woods to get a fire. The Ferro rod is real, it's just one solid stick, where this one you have two pieces, but if you're carrying your knife, it doesn't really matter because you can scrape it off with your knife and start your fire. But it does seem, it's got the ferrocerium on this outside, and it does seem to wear down real quick. Whereas this one, you can go for 20,000 strikes or whatnot. So I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't have a problem with either one of them. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Which one do you use? Which one would you use? You got the $2 rod and you got the $10 rod right here. This one's 6 inches long, 1/2 inch thick, and this one is just $1.99 at Harbor Freight. And you can get dozens of them. Anyway, let me know what you think. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we'll see you next time.